The full potential of attachments is truly realized when used in conjunction with MAPCON Mobile. Accessing and uploading attachments on the go in MAPCON Mobile can be done anytime, anywhere, which can be a tremendous savings of both time and resources to on-the-go technicians in the field. In this tutorial, we will learn how to view and add attachments in MAPCON Mobile. Attachments can be used in both light and pro systems, but require the Advanced Administration module. It's important to know where the attachments can be used in MAPCON Mobile. Attachments can be added to equipment, inventory, locations, work orders, and work requests. While all attachment types, such as PDFs and web links, can be viewed on these records in MAPCON Mobile, only photo attachments can be added directly through the app. To add attachments to an existing asset, press Asset on the main menu and choose an asset type that requires an attachment. Here, we'll choose Equipment. In the list, we see the option to Add Pictures. Pressing this will bring up the Add Attachment screen. In the top drop-down, ensure that the attachment will connect to the correct type of record. Then, in the first red field, choose the specific record the image will attach to. Pressing the Search button next to the field will display the appropriate lookup for easy selection. This reference must be set before taking or selecting a photo. Next, select a keyword for classification and then add a description of the attachment in the following red field. Now users can either choose an existing image from the device's photo library by pressing Gallery, or a new photo that can be taken directly by pressing Camera. Once the photo is selected, it will appear at the bottom of the screen and users can press Save to finalize the attachment process. Attachments can also be added to assets as they are being added to the system. To do this, users must choose the asset to add. In this case, we'll choose Equipment. From the list of options, select Add Equipment. Fill in all of the required and desired fields and then scroll down to the Attachment section. Expand this section to reveal an Add Pictures button and attach the necessary image for the asset. To view attachments, users can navigate to an asset in their system and scroll down to the Attachments section. Expanding this section will display any and all attachments set for the record. The process of adding and viewing attachments is identical when working with inventory items. To add attachments to a work request or work order, press Maintenance on the main menu and choose between Work Order or Work Request. Here we'll choose Work Orders. Attachments can be added during the creation phase or the update phase of the work order process. Let's look at an existing work order. Scrolling down and expanding the Attachments section will display any existing attachments on the record. Here, we also see an Add Picture button. Pressing this will open an Add Attachment screen with the work order association information already entered. Select a keyword and add a description before adding an attachment. Again, users can take a photo directly on the device or choose from any photos already saved on the device. Once the photo is taken, it will appear at the bottom of the screen to be viewed. Finally, press the Save button to complete the process. Now, when viewing the work order, this new photo will be included in the list of attachments. To learn how to add, edit, and view attachments, as well as set securities and other defaults within the desktop version of MAPCON, watch our other tutorial on attachments. For these tips and more, check out MAPCON Technologies on social media. Thank you for choosing MAPCON.